Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is part of a training playlist which is in the description. We created this beautiful dashboard and these summaries. Now I'm going to show you how to update the data every month. For example, this was the data which was imported directly into the Excel. And let's say we got new data for the current month or the previous month, and we want to refresh or update our reports according to that. I'm going to paste here 23/7, which is July 23, and now we are going to refresh Excel to see whether it updates to July 23. In Excel, our data from files, if you open the date filter, then you can see our latest data is till June 23. If we go to dashboard and select 2023 in here, then you can see that our last month is June. In summary 1, you can see July and August columns are empty. Let me open these for you. Now let's go to dashboard, go to data tab and refresh all. Once you click refresh all, it will wait for some time because it's updating the data in background. Let's go to data tab, and if you go for date filter here, you can see now that you have July 23 in here. Let's go back to dashboard and go for data and refresh all. Now you can see only refresh imported the data and refresh all imported the data, plus it updated pivot tables and dashboard, because pivot tables always need a refresh to update data. Now you can see there is a July month here, and if we go to summary 1, then there is a July 23 here. That's all we have to do while doing a refresh. Let me show you another example where I'm going to add 23/8, which is August 23, and let's go back to Excel and go to data and refresh all and wait. You can see it says running background query. You have to wait till it is updated. Now you can see August month is updated in here. If we go to dashboard, then we'll have to go for data and refresh all again. And now you can see our numbers changed and we can see month of August in there. This is how we can automatically update the data whenever a new data is available, or if we want to update any previous month, then we can replace the previous files, and all we have to do is to refresh and everything will update automatically. If you are interested in more beautiful dashboard, then I will be creating another video soon on dashboard only, because if we go more deep into this topic, then this video will be very long. So I'll be creating a new dashboard like this soon, and will give you a overview and tutorial on how to do that. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more Excel tutorials. Again, this video is part of a full training. You can find the link in the description and save the playlist or bookmark. I'll see you soon in next video.